In this section, we're going to be looking at factorizing. Factorizing is the reverse process to expanding brackets. So we're going to be taking expressions and putting them back into brackets. The first thing we want to look at is 3x plus 15. We're going to factorize 3x plus 15. So let's look at the expression. 3x could be written as 3 times x. We have a plus sign, and 15 can be written as 3 times 5. We look at both terms and we see what's common. We have a 3 in both terms. We write the 3 down and then we open a bracket. What we have left after removing the 3 here is an x. We then have the plus sign, and what we have left here after removing the 3 is the 5. We then close the bracket. So 3 open bracket x plus 5 close bracket is the factorized form of 3x plus 15. As we get more practiced at this, we can ignore this line. However, this line is very useful at this stage as it helps us pick out what's common between the terms. We can always check that our answer is correct because we know how to expand. So if we take 3 times x plus 5, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times plus 5 is plus 15. So we can see we have the right answer. We now have 4a minus 12. 4a is 4 times a. We have the minus sign, and 12 could be written as 4 times 3. We can see we have a common 4 between the two terms, so we write this down. We then open a bracket. After removing the 4, we're left with an a from the first term. We have the minus sign, and we have a 3 left from the second term. So 4a minus 12 is 4, open bracket, a minus 3, close bracket. We're now going to consider 3ab plus 9a. 3ab can be written as 3 times a times b. We then have the plus sign, and we could write 9a as 3 times 3, giving us the 9 times a. We have a 3 in both terms. We have an a in both terms. So we can write down 3a and open a bracket. We're left with the b, a plus sign, and a 3. Three xy take away 15y. 3xy can be written as 3 times x times y. We then have the minus sign, and 15y could be written as 3 times 5, giving us the 15 times y. We have a 3 in each term, and we have a y in each term. So we can write down 3y, open a bracket. In the first term we're left with x, we then have the minus sign, and in the second term we're left with 5.